Hi. I also would like to talk about decision errors. Okay, so what do we understand when it comes to decision errors, okay, in hypothesis testing? Now we have four possible decisions that may be taken as a result of a hypothesis test. So the first one basically is you reject the null hypothesis HO when actually HO is true. And this is what we call a type 1 error. All right, basically this is what it says in the book. It's a type 1 error. Okay, that's the wrong decision. So you will be dealing with situations where wrong decisions been taken, and this is what we call a type 1 error. Type 1 error. Now, for a type 1 error, the notation reject HO when HO is true is here. Reject HO given that HO is true. The second one is you may be taking the correct decision. So you may say reject HO when HO, the null hypothesis, is false, is not true. So now that's the correct decision. Okay, you may have another correct decision that you accept HO when HO is true. And also this is the correct decision. By the same token, now you may be taking another wrong decision. I'm going to underline this. Okay, so what happens is you reject HO when HO is true, and now you are going to accept HO when HO is not true, or HO is false. All right, false. And this is your wrong decision. Now this is what we call a type 2 error. Type 1 error here over here, and this one is a type 2 error. And notation is going to be equal to accept, okay, HO given that HO is false. And so that's the notation. So as you can see now, we have four types of decision errors, but two of them are okay. So this one, you're not going to be dealing with those ones, but most of the time you'll be dealing with the type 1 error and the type 2 error. Now the probability of committing a type 1 error is basically called the significance level. Okay, so the probability of committing, okay, a type 1 error is called the significance level. Significance level, and is denoted by alpha percent. This is because it's normally expressed as a percentage. Okay, so this is what we have when it comes to decision errors. So we're going to be looking at all these aspects throughout clear-cut examples. I thank you for your attention.